Bonjour my Momos, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we talked about the importance of hydration, which is essential before we touch on anything else. Today, I'm thrilled to share a beautiful, chic, and effective everyday gua sha massage routine that focuses on lymphatic drainage. This ancient technique not only promotes relaxation and circulation, but also helps detoxify the skin for that gorgeous glow we all crave. So let's get started. First, let's create a lovely ambience. I'm in my serene beauty corner decorated with fresh flowers and calming candles, and of course my favorite gua sha tool. Today, I'm using a rose quartz gua sha stone. It's said to promote love and healing, and perfect for our self-care ritual. Any gua sha stone will be fine, but I will put an affiliate link below if my Momos wants to use the same gua sha stone that I use every morning. Now, let's prep our skin. Cleanse with your face first. I used my favorite cleanser, Green Artisan's Cleanser by Arencia. This cleanser was very famous among Koreans and also called as Korean rice mochi face cleanser. Next, apply a few drops of your go-to facial oil. I'll use my own mixture of rosehip oil and frankincense oil, which is lightweight and hydrating. This helps the gua sha glide smoothly and effectively over the skin. Any or your favorite face lotion, emulsion, or oil would work. Just warm it up between your palms and gently press it onto your skin. Then, let's dive into the gua sha technique, focusing on promoting lymphatic drainage with each movement. Starting with the jawline, place the gua sha at the center of your chin. Using gentle pressure, glide upwards along your jaw towards your ear. Repeat this 3 to 5 times on each side. This movement helps define the jaw while stimulating lymphatic flow, releasing any built-up tension. And then, let's move on to the cheeks. Place the gua sha at the side of your nose and sweep outwards towards your ears. This action helps to push stagnant lymph fluid away from the face and enhances that beautiful lifted look. Repeat 3 to 5 times on each side. Now, for the delicate under eye area, use a lighter touch here. Starting from the inner corner of your eye, gently glide outwards towards your temples. This technique can help reduce puffiness and dark circles, promoting lymphatic drainage in the sensitive area. For the forehead, begin in the center and move the gua sha outwards towards your temples. Repeat this 3 to 5 times. This not only smooths fine lines, but also helps release any tension that might be building up. Lastly, let's focus on the neck, an area often overlooked. Starting at the collarbone, glide the gua sha upwards toward the jaw. This motion encourages lymphatic drainage from the face and is incredibly refreshing. Here are some tips to enhance your gua sha experience. Always ensure your tool and skin are clean. Experiment with different angles to find what feels best for you. Don't rush. This is a moment for relaxation and self-love. If you feel any discomfort, adjust the pressure or technique, and remember, always move towards the lymph nodes to promote drainage. And there you have it, an elegant gua sha massage focused on lymphatic drainage that you can incorporate into your daily routine. Remember to cleanse your gua sha tool after each use and store it in a cool place. I always feel so rejuvenated after this routine. Your skin may look a bit flushed, which is completely normal. It means the blood is flowing and lymphatic pathways are working. Also, don't forget to drink warm floral tea after the gua sha massage because you can enhance the experience for several reasons. Hydration. Guasha helps improve circulation and lymphatic drainage, and hydrating afterwards supports this process. Warm tea can help replenish fluids and keep your skin hydrated. Relaxation. Floral teas, such as chamomile or lavender, have calming properties that can help relax both the mind and body after a facial massage. This complements the relaxation benefits of guasha. Detoxification. Warm tea can aid in flushing out toxins that may have been released during the massage, supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. Enhanced blood flow. The warmth of the tea can promote further blood circulation, helping to maintain the effects of the guasha treatment and keeping your skin glowing. Aromatherapy benefits. The soothing scents of floral teas can enhance your overall sensory experience, adding an additional layer of relaxation and enjoyment. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. I'd love to hear about your experiences with guasha or any other beauty routines you love. Drop your comments below. All my products recommendations and affiliate links will be under description. Until next time, stay chic and take care of yourself. Momos, see you next time.